Welcome back to Max class. Chapter 12, Can we share? In the previous class we studied division of small digit numbers. In this class we will study division of big numbers. Are you ready? Let us find out these questions. 25 divided by 5. See, how many 5s make 25? Let us find out. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. How many 5s are there in 25? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 5s are there in 25. So we can write 5. That is 5 into 5, 25. 36 divided by 4. How many 4s there are in 36? 36 il etra 4 ഉണ്ട്? Let us find out. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. 24 plus 4, 28. 28 plus 4, 32. 32 plus 4, 36. How many 4s there are in 36? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 4s there are in 36. That is 9 into 4, 36. 72 divided by 9 equal to dash. How many 9s are there in 72? Let us check. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 9, 27. 27 plus 9, 36. 36 plus 9, 45. 45 plus 9, 54. 54 plus 9, 63. 63 plus 9, 72. So, how many 9s is there in 72? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 9s are there in 72. Clear? That is 8 into 9, 72. Next, how many 6 there are in 42? 42 il etra 6 ഉണ്ട്? Let us find out. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 6, 24. 24 plus 6, 30. 30 plus 6, 36. 36 plus 6, 42. Okay, how many 6 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 6 there are in 42. That is 7 into 6, 42. Clear? You can write these in your notebook. ഇത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നിങ്ങളുടെ നോട്ട്ബുക്കിലോട്ട് എഴുതാം. Okay? All of you take page number 175. Divide into groups of 2 using 2 times of table. This is the table of 2. Okay. 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. That is 2 into 9, 18. Then 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2. 9 into 2, 18. Like this, you want to complete this all. How you find out this number? Yes, 2 into 7, 14. That is 14 divided by 2 equal to 7. Students, try to complete this also. First one, table of 5. Then second one, table of 10. Students, do these questions also yourself. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay? Now, let us study division of numbers by zeros. Listen these questions. How we can find out this question easily. See here 1 digit, here 2 digit, here 3 digits. Okay, 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3. How many 3s are there in 6? 6 il etra 3 unde? Okay, 1 into 3, 3. 2 into 3, 6. That is 2 3s are in the 6. Okay, 2 into 3, 6. Then 60 divided by 3. See, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Okay, then put this 0 here. Okay, then 600 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3, 2. Then put these 2 zeros here. That is 600 divided by 3 is equal to 200. Clear? Then like this, you want to write this also. How? 25 divided by 5. How much 25 divided by 5? How many 5s are there in 25? 1 into 5, 5. 2 into 5, 10. 3 into 5, 15. 4 into 5, 20. 5 into 5, 25. 5 into 5, 25. Then 250 divided by 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. Then put this 0 here. That is 50 into 5, 250. Then 25 divided by 5 is 5. Then put these 2 zeros here. Okay, clear? You can write these questions in your notebook. Like this, you want to find out these questions. Okay? 8 divided by 2, 80 divided by 2, 800 divided by 2, 10 divided by 2, 100 divided by 2, 1000 divided by 2. Okay? Now, let us go into the topic division of big numbers. See this. These are big numbers. How we can find out these questions easily? See here. 36 divided by 3. We can write 36 divided by 3 as 36 divided by 3. See, നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷനിൽ താഴേക്ക് എങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യുക? 36 ഇൻറ്റു 3 ഇങ്ങനെയല്ലേ? അതുപോലെ നമ്മൾ താഴേക്ക് ചെയ്യണ മെത്തേഡാണ് ഇനി നിങ്ങൾ പഠിക്കാൻ പോണത്. ഈ മെത്തേഡാണ് നമ്മൾ വലിയ ക്ലാസ്സിലൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ പഠിക്കുക. ഓക്കെ, സോ 36 divided by 3. ശ്രദ്ധിച്ച് കേൾക്കണം. Listen here. First, how many 3s are there in 3? 3യിൽ എത്ര 3 ഉണ്ട് എന്ന് നോക്കണം ആദ്യം. ഓക്കെ, 3യിൽ എത്ര 3 ഉണ്ട്? 3യിൽ how many 3s there are in 3? ഒരു 3യിൽ എത്ര 3 ഉണ്ട്? ഇതിൽ എത്ര 3 ഉണ്ട്? ഓക്കെ, 1 3. ഓക്കെ, 3യിൽ എത്ര 3 ഉണ്ടെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ only 1 3. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് 1 3. 1 മുകളിൽ ഇട്ട് കൊടുക്കണം. ഓക്കെ, 1 into 3. ഇനി ഈ 1ഉം ഈ 3യും പാടെ ഇൻറ്റു ചെയ്യണം. 1 into 3 is 3. ഓക്കെ, റൈറ്റ് അണ്ടർ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഡിജിറ്റ്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ഡിജിറ്റിൻ്റെ ചോട്ടിലാണ് എഴുതി കൊടുക്കുക. 1 into 3 is 3. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ ഇനി നമുക്കിത് മൈനസ് ചെയ്യണം. 3 minus 3 is 0. We already studied repeated subtraction called division. Okay, now നമ്മൾ മൈനസ് ചെയ്യാണ് ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ, നമ്മൾ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷനിൽ എന്താ ചെയ്ത്? ആഡ് ചെയ്യാണ് ചെയ്തത് അല്ലേ? റിപ്പീറ്റഡ് അഡീഷൻ കോൾഡ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ എന്നാണ് പഠിച്ചിട്ടുള്ളത്. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ ഹിയർ നമ്മളിവിടെ മൈനസ് ചെയ്യാണ് ചെയ്യുക. സോ 3 minus 3 is 0. Then next number write down 6. ഇനി തൊട്ട് അടുത്ത നമ്പർ ഇനി താഴേക്ക് എഴുതണം. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ ഇനി നമ്മൾ പറയാം how many 3s are there in 6? 6ൽ എത്ര 3 ഉണ്ട്? How many 3s there are in 6? 6ൽ എത്ര 3 ഉണ്ട്? Okay, 1, 2. 2 3s are there in 6. 1 into 3, 3. 2 into 3, 6. 2 3s are there in 6. 2 into 3, 6. This 6 right under this 6. Okay. 6 minus 6, 0. Listen carefully. How many 3s there are in 3? 1. 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 3, 3. Okay. Then minus 3 minus 3, 0. Then 6 write down. Next, how many 3s there are in 6? 2. 2 into 3, 6. Okay. 6 minus 6 equal to 0. 12 is the answer. Okay. Next one, 48 divided by 2. 48 divided by 2. How many 2s are there in 4? 2. 2 into 2, 4. Okay. Then 4 minus 4, 0. Then next number, write down. How many 2s there are in 8? 8 il etra 2 unde? 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 2, 6. 4 into 2, 8. So 4. 4 into 2, 8. Then 8 minus 8, 0. 24 is the answer. Okay. Listen carefully. 82 divided by 2. 82 divided by 2. Okay. You can write these questions in your notebook and write these steps also in your notebook. Okay. Then 82 divided by 2. How we can do? First, okay, 8 divided by 2. Okay. How many 2s are there in 8? 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 2, 6. 4 into 2, 8. So, write 4 here. 4 into 2, 8. Then minus 8 minus 8, 0. Then 2 write down. Okay. Then how many 2s are there in 2? 1. 1, 2 into 2. Okay. Then 2 minus 2, 0. 41 is the answer. Clear? ഓക്കെ, ഞാനിപ്പോൾ ഇങ്ങനെ നേരെയാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. നിങ്ങൾ ഓരോ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ്റെ ചോട്ടിലും ഈ മെത്തേഡ് അവിടെ കാണണം കേട്ടോ. Then 56 divided by 4. 56 divided by 4. ഈ സ്റ്റെപ്സ് അതുപോലെ തന്നെ നിങ്ങൾ നോട്ടി കാണണം. എനിക്കിവിടെ സ്ഥലമില്ലാത്തതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഞാനിത് മായ്ക്കണത്. 56 divided by 4. How many 4s there are in 5? 5ൽ എത്ര 4 ഉണ്ട്? 5ൽ എത്ര 4 ഉണ്ട്? 1. 1 4. Okay. 1 4 4. 1 4 into 4. Then 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. 1. Okay. Then 6 write down. Okay. How many 4s there are in 16? How many 4s there are in 16? 16ൽ എത്ര 4 ഉണ്ട്? 1 into 4, 4. 2 into 4, 8. 3 into 4, 12. 4 into 4, 16. 4 into 4, 16. Okay. 6 minus 6, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Okay. That is 14 is the answer. Clear? Okay, you can watch video again and again. Okay, നിങ്ങൾ വീണ്ടും വീണ്ടും കാണണം കേട്ടോ വീഡിയോ, എന്നാൽ മാത്രമേ മനസ്സിലാവുള്ളൂ. 75 divided by 3. Next question, 75 divided by 3. Okay. How many 3s there are in 7? 7ൽ എത്ര 3 ഉണ്ട്? See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7ൽ എത്ര 3 ഉണ്ട്? 1 2 2 3 ആണ് അല്ലേ. സോ we can write here 2. 2 into 3, 6. Okay. Then 7 minus 6. 7 6 minus is the 1. Okay. Then this 5 write down. 5 താഴേക്ക് ഇട്ട് കൊടുക്കുക. Next one. How many 3s there are in 15? 15 എത്ര 3 ഉണ്ട്? 1 into 3 3, 2 into 3 6, 4 into 3 12, 5 into 3 15, 5 into 3 15. So 5 into 3 15. Okay, 15 minus 15 0. That is 25 is the answer. Clear? Write these all questions in your notebook. See here, 32 divided by 2. 32 divided by 2. Okay. How many 2s there are in 3? How many 2s there are in 3? 3 il etra 2 unde? 1. Okay, 1. 1 into 2. 1 into 2. 2. Okay. Then 3 minus 2. 3 in the 2 minus is the 1. Then this 2 write down. How many 2s there are in 12? 12 il etra 2 unde? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 il etra 2 unde? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many 2? 6 2s there are in 12. That is 6 into 2, 12. Okay. 12 minus 12, 0. 32 divided by 2 is 16. Okay. ഇനി ഇത് ആൻസർ ശരിയാണോ എന്ന് എങ്ങനെ നോക്കുക? 16 into 2. 16 into 2. Okay. 2 into 6, 12. Remaining 1. 1 into 2, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 32. It is correct. Okay. You can write this in your notebook. 57 divided by 3. 57 divided by 3. Okay. How many 3s there are in 5? 1, 3. Okay. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 il etra 3 unde? 1, 3. 1 into 3, 3. Okay. Then 5 minus 3, 2. Then 7 write down. How many 3s there are in 27? 27 letter 3 unde? 1 into 3, 3. 2 into 3, 6. 3 into 3, 9. 4 into 3, 12. 5 into 3, 15. 6 into 3, 18. 7 into 3, 21. 8 into 3, 24. 9 into 3, 27. 9 into 3, 27. Okay. 27 minus 27, 0. 19 is the answer. Clear? Can I give some questions? കുറച്ച് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് തരട്ടെ, നിങ്ങൾ സ്വയം ചെയ്യുമല്ലോ. ഡു ദീസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് യുവർ സെൽഫ്. ഓക്കെ. നിങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ 84 ഡിവൈഡഡ് ബൈ 3 എന്നുള്ള ഇതിൻ്റെ ചോട്ടിൽ തന്നെ ചെയ്ത് കാണിക്കണം. അതവിടെ കാണണം, ചെയ്തത് കാണണം. ഓക്കെ. ടുഡേയ്സ് ക്ലാസ് ഈസ് ഓവർ. See you in next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.